Hi, my name is Jim Aga. I'm looking for an estimate from a plumber. I'm putting in a shower, used to be a bathtub, and I need some plumbing done. It can be PEX or copper, whatever is legal in Seattle. Going from a simple hot-cold shower to a mixing shower that has hot and cold, and the hand shower and the mixer, and it needs the hand shower needs a fixture about there. Wouldn't hurt to move the nozzle over a little bit, as the shower is narrower than it used to be, but that's optional. I just need an estimate on roughing this into the wall and testing it. I'll finish the walls. Thanks.